Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off the system sounds on Samsung Galaxy A27. Okay, to do it, open up the settings, then scroll down a little bit, tap on Sounds and Vibration, and then tap on System Sound. And in here we have the Sounds section, and if you want to completely turn them off or turn them on, you can do it right in here. We have Touch Interactions, Dial and Keypad, Samsung Keyboard, charging sounds, and the screen lock and unlock. If you want to turn them turn them on or off, you just gotta manually do it from this level. Now everything is completely turned off, and now everything is turned on. So that's the place where you can do it. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.